Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to join a Minecraft server on TLauncher. Alright, so let's begin. First, open TLauncher on your desktop. The very first thing you need to do is create an account. Click on the small arrow near your profile section and press configure accounts. Then click add here. From here, create a new username. My best advice is to choose a random username that hasn't been used before. One way to check availability is by going to name MC website and searching for the username you want. If it doesn't show any existing profile with that exact name, then it's likely available. Once you've confirmed your username, enter it into TLauncher and create a strong password. Make sure your password is secure because some servers require registration and you don't want anyone accessing your account. After entering your details, click Save Account. Now select the Minecraft version you want to play. Make sure it matches the version required by the server you plan to join. Then click Enter the game. It might take a little time to load, so don't worry if it takes a minute. After the game launches, click on Multiplayer, then click Add Server. For the server name, you can type anything you like. For the server address, enter the IP of the server you want to join. For example, you could enter something like play.mineheart.net, just an example. After typing the address, press Done. The server will now appear in your server list. Click on it and select Join Server. Some servers require authentication. If that's the case, you'll need to register. In the chat, type /register password. Replace password with your chosen password. Make sure you use the same password twice. Press enter. After registering, the next time you join, you'll likely need to type login password to access the server. Once you're successfully inside the server, you can move forward and select the game mode you want to play, such as survival, lifesteal, or any other available mode depending on the server, and that's it. This is how you can join a Minecraft server on TLauncher. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.